In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get set up with Google Drive for desktop. This is a fantastic way to keep your files synchronized across your devices and make accessing your files even more convenient. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the gear icon. This little gear is your gateway to a whole host of settings that you can adjust to tailor your Google Drive experience. Give that gear icon a click and you'll find a drop-down menu appearing right in front of you. From this drop-down menu, the next step is selecting the option called Get Drive for Desktop. This option prepares you to download a version of Google Drive that will sit right on your computer's desktop, making access incredibly streamlined and easy. After selecting this, it's time to head over to the official Google Drive site where you'll find another button that reads Download Drive for Desktop. And this is the main event, the key step to beginning your desktop drive journey. Click this button and you'll start downloading the necessary files. During this process, you might have to wait a few moments depending on your internet speed, so maybe take a sip of your favorite beverage while it's downloading. Once the download initiates, a file should appear in your Downloads folder. Locate this file on your computer and it will be your installation file for Google Drive. Your computer's operating system might give you a little prompt asking if you're sure you want to open it. It's just checking in for safety's sake. Click yes or open to proceed and watch it work its magic. Lastly, as the installation process kicks off, you'll likely be guided through a few prompts that will confirm your choices and settings. Simply follow these prompts and agree to any terms or conditions, and soon you'll have Google Drive ready and waiting on your desktop. Having Google Drive on your desktop will allow you to conveniently manage your files without needing a web browser, which is perfect for streamlining your workflow and keeping your digital life organized. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to bring Google Drive to your desktop and boost your productivity. With everything now set up, you'll enjoy the ease of accessing and managing your cloud storage, all from the comfort of your computer. Remember, effective organization is key when dealing with large amounts of files, and Google Drive for Desktop makes that a breeze. Thanks for following along, and feel free to check back for more helpful tech tips.